Want to work smarter, not harder, in the next 12 months? These cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools are designed to maximize your productivity in 2025, helping you get more done in less time. Let's start with Notion AI, a versatile tool that combines task management, project planning, and intelligent note-taking all in one. Notion AI helps you organize your workspaces by creating smart templates that can automate recurring tasks, like creating weekly reports or managing ongoing projects. Its ability to transform your notes into actionable tasks and generate summaries of long documents means less time spent on admin work and more time for creative, high-value tasks. Imagine getting a complete project outline ready in minutes rather than hours. This tool is especially helpful for those juggling multiple tasks and deadlines daily. Next is Grammarly, an essential AI tool for anyone who deals with writing. Grammarly doesn't just catch typos and grammar mistakes, it provides real-time suggestions to improve clarity, tone, and conciseness, making your writing more professional. It's great for speeding up tasks like writing emails, reports, or content creation. Instead of wasting time on multiple drafts, you can instantly optimize your text to communicate effectively. One of its standout features for 2025 is its tone detection, which helps you maintain the right tone in professional or casual settings, ensuring your message hits the mark every time. Now let's talk about Jasper, one of the most advanced AI writing assistants out there. Jasper can help you create long-form content such as blog posts, social media updates, and even entire marketing campaigns within minutes. By using preset templates and AI-driven content generation, Jasper can generate thousands of words in no time, saving you from the tedious task of writing from scratch. You can simply give it a topic or a few bullet points, and it will turn that into a fully formed article or post. For 2025, Jasper has also enhanced its ability to integrate with SEO tools, ensuring your content ranks well on search engines, further improving your efficiency. Then there's Zapier, a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services to create seamless workflows. Imagine the time you spend manually transferring data between platforms. Zapier does that for you automatically. For example, it can save all email attachments you receive to your cloud storage, or automatically add new leads from your website to your CRM system. In 2025, Zapier continues to enhance its integrations with thousands of apps, meaning you can automate more tasks than ever before, allowing you to focus on high-priority work while the mundane tasks are handled automatically. If you're looking to supercharge your productivity in 2025, these AI tools are a must. Each tool is designed to save you hours every week, giving you more time to focus on what matters. Be sure to check out the links in the description to try them out and see the difference they can make in your day-to-day work.